Hi guys, Google Ad is widely regarded as one of the most effective platform businesses to advise online, especially through search ad and the pay per click model. Here a detailed review of how search ad and PPC work on Google Ad. What are search ad in Google Ad? Search ad are the text-based advertisement that appear at the top of bottom of Google search engine result page. When user research for specific keyword, these ads are targeted by user queries and appear as relevant sponsor result designed to match user search intent. For example, if someone search for best running shoes, ad from shoes retailer might appear above the organic result showing their product or service. How the PPC model work in Google Ad. Pay per click is the pricing model behind Google Ad, where advertisers only pay when someone click on their ad. This make PPC an efficient advertising model, as advertisers are charged based on actual engagement rather than just impression. Google user an auction system to determine which ad appear for each keyword planner. Search advertiser bid on specific keyword and factors such as bid amount, a quality score, which is based on ad relevance, expect click-through rate, and landing page experience, and ad extension determine the ad rank. Benefit of Google Ad search ad. Targeted reach. Search ad allow advertiser to target user who are actually searching for specific product searching or information. This means you are reaching people at the moment they express intent to buy or learn more, resulting in higher conversion potential. Control our budget. With PPC, you have full control over your daily budget and maximum bid for keyword through whatever you are, small business or a large corporation. You can adjust your spending to fit your marketing budget, ensuring cost effectiveness. Measurable result. Google Ad provide real-time data on key performance metrics such as click impression, click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per click. This level of detail allow you to optimize your campaign to get the best return or investment ROI. Immediately visibility. Search ad give your businesses instant, ensuring at the top of Google search result, even above the organic result. This can lead to more click, website traffic, and potentially more conversion, especially for competitive keyword. Customizability. You can tailor your search ad by using various of format and extensive like style, site line, call button, or location information, which make your ad more information and clickable. These customization help improve the ad relevance and increase the likelihood of click. Challenges of Google Ads search ad. Cost of competitive keyword. Some industry like insurance, legal services, or real estate have very high cost per click rate after research reaching over $50 or more per click. Or competitive keyword advertiser in this space need to have a higher budget to stay competitive. Need for constant optimization. To get the most out of Google Ad, you need to regularly monitor and adjust your campaign. This include optimizing bids, adjusting keyword targeting, improving ad copy, and refining landing page based on performance data. If you do not stay on top of it, your campaign may not yet the best ROI. Learning curve. Although Google Ad is a powerful tool, it does come with a steep learning curve, especially for beginner. Managing PPC campaign effectively required understanding keyword research, bid strategy, and how to balance budget and performance. PPC best practice for search ad. Keyword research. Effective keyword selection is crucial. Use look tool like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords that are relevant, have a good search volume, and a measurable cost per click. Incorporation a mix of long tail keyword to capture more specific queries. Ad relevance and quality score. To improve your quality score, ensure your ad are highly relevant to the keyword you are targeting. Google reward ads that have strong click-through rate and relevance by reducing cost and improving ad placement. Landing page optimization. The experience user have after clicking your ad is just as improvement as the ad itself. Make sure your landing page is fast, mobile friendly and optimized for conversion. The more elegant the landing page is with the ad, the better your result will be. Use negative keyword. Negative keyword help ensure that your ad do not show up for irrelevant search. For example, if you are selling luxury shoes, you might want to add cheap or free as negative keyword to avoid wasting click on user searching for low cost option. Test and optimize. Constantly A/B test different ad copy, headline and call to action to find out what resonate best with your audience. Monitor campaign performance and adjust bid targeting and ad creative based on your data.